In today's ever-evolving digital landscape, the allure of freelancing as a viable source of income is more compelling than ever. With just a laptop and a strong internet connection, the possibilities are virtually endless. So, how can you transform these tools into a profitable venture? Let's explore the steps to boost your income through freelancing. To begin with, the beauty of freelancing lies in its flexibility and the diverse opportunities it presents. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or have skills in digital marketing, there's a niche for you to carve out a sustainable income. The first critical step is to identify your talents and passions. Analyze your skill set to determine what services you can offer and what you enjoy doing. Passion drives persistence, and doing what you love often leads to the best results. Once you've identified your skills, the next step is to create an online presence. Having a professional online portfolio is essential. This digital showcase should highlight your best work, testimonials from satisfied clients, and a brief overview of your expertise. Platforms like LinkedIn, Behance for designers, or a personal website can serve as credible spaces to display your abilities. Remember, your online presence is often the first impression potential clients have of you. Make it count. Now, let's tackle the marketplace challenge. Numerous platforms cater to freelancers, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. These platforms connect freelancers with clients globally. Create a compelling profile that accurately reflects your skills and experience. Be sure to tailor your proposals for each job application, highlighting how your skills match the specific needs of the client. Crafting personalized, targeted proposals increases your chances of getting noticed in a competitive environment. Pricing your services appropriately is also a crucial aspect. Research the standard rates within your field and set competitive yet fair prices for your services. Starting with slightly lower rates can help you build a client base and gain reviews, which in turn boosts your credibility. However, don't undervalue your work. As you gain experience and positive feedback, gradually increase your rates to reflect your growing expertise. Time management and self-discipline are your allies in freelancing. Without a structured office environment, maintaining a consistent schedule is vital. Set clear work hours, take regular breaks, and avoid distractions. Tools like Asana, Trello, or even a simple calendar can help you keep track of deadlines and manage multiple projects. Remember, the freedom of freelancing comes with the responsibility of personal accountability. Networking is another key element in a freelancer's success story. Engage with online communities in your field. Participating in forums, online workshops, and social media groups can expand your network and open doors to potential collaborations or clients. Networking can also provide you with industry insights and trends, keeping your skills sharp and relevant. While freelancing offers many advantages, it's not without challenges. Irregular income, lack of job security, and the need for constant self-promotion can be daunting. However, with determination, strategic planning, and continuous learning, these challenges can be overcome. Embrace lifelong learning by staying updated with the latest tools and skills in your industry. Invest in online courses or webinars to continually enhance your capabilities. As we conclude, remember that freelancing is a journey of empowerment. With just a laptop, your skills, and the right mindset, you can unlock a world of opportunities. Be patient and resilient. It may take time to establish yourself, but with dedication and perseverance, you can significantly boost your income and achieve the work-life balance that many aspire to. The digital world is at your fingertips. It's up to you to seize the moment and craft your path to success. Follow and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. If you are in need to generate income today, go to www.kill9to5.com.